This is a powerful self-cleaning robot with the station. Very simple to operate, and they have very clear directions as well for the vacuuming and for the mopping, and ideas to help you map your robot. And mapping is just picking the path, letting it go, setting your station up at the right area, the right place, making sure there's no steps your robot can fall down. All those things which are really safe for your robot. I just let you see inside here. This is, you can do a mopping and cleaning. Everything's clearly indicated, wastewater, clean water. I'll show you the back of the robot here in a minute. You can send it out as well.
Exiting home, please keep the space clear.
And what I like about this base, it's not one that moves. The robot finds it every time, which is sometimes if you tried other ones I've had, and the base would move, it would, have to really kind of do a permanent fixture on it. I love this strong base for it. When it is running here, it kicks out a lot of air power. This isn't just a small cleaner here. This really does a great job at cleaning. I like it here where I'm using it. I use it various places. I take it various places to use it just because it's so nice, convenient, and easy to use. Even here in this setting here, we have a lot of pews and things. The robot does a great job at going under and covering the side areas as well, all those things. You can send your robot out to clean. You can also, with the buttons up here, just you can stop it, you can long press to end current task, all those things, and you can also return it back to base.
Returning home.
See that? And when it does that, this is just the power of it. You can hear that. And it has no problem climbing up there.
The robot is in the base station.
So now it's back to its charging mode. So, yeah, I found this to be really effective at doing everything I want it to do. What you do here, you lift this up. I'll let you see this here for a minute. Underneath here, this is your little station here. I have it set up now for mopping. There's your filter and everything. That's where the dirt kicks in. That's all really nice. The flip of that. Let you see underneath here as well. Let me just shut this down here in a second. To do this, I just hit the power button right here.
See you.
Okay, here's the big wheels. They're big rubberized wheels on here. That's all rubberized. You can see the grips on them there. So it really can go. Here's your vacuuming area as well. Now this just kind of lifts off really nice and easy, as you can see there. It comes completely off. You can set your mopping ones up as well, just like this, but with mop pads. And I'll show you that in a minute. And you see the magnetic indicator. So what you do, you just take this, you slide it in, you snap it in place. It kind of just falls in place, honestly. Yeah, it finds the base really well. Has your battery here. It is just really kind of heavy duty, It just does a fabulous job at everything that I've sent it out to do. So I've been impressed with it, pleased with it, and it does a good job mopping too. So, you can't have it do the two at the same time. It's either you have it set up for vacuuming or you have it set up for mopping. I like that because we have a large mop area to do, and we also have a large area here to cover as well. And very simple to change, like that as well. Came nicely packaged. The directions are super clear. And it's a really powerful system. It really does a lot of good cleaning. It maps out the area, and mapping, don't think that's complicated or anything. It's really not in how it operates. So this is the base. You just have your simple controls here. Just like I said, even though it's an effective cleaning machine, it's still very simple to operate. So I was a little concerned that, you know, might be hard to operate and those things. It's not. Very simple to operate, very simple to use, and very effective. I take a picture of the areas where I clean with the robot by just carrying it downstairs. It does a great job on floors, linoleum floors. Is what I use it on. I love it for that. Does a great job with that area, covering everything, mopping it up. And, you know, to save somebody else from doing it, you know, when you have technology today, I find it nice to utilize it to free up time for other things. So this is the device here, and you see it's trying to connect. It's all lit up according to color indicators to let you know, hey, it's not connection, because I have it turned off over here. But it's very smart, but very effective at what it does.
Taken out by the volcano.
For a grave moral question, do dinosaurs deserve the same protections given to other endangered species, or should they be left to die?
I think that we should allow our magnificent, glorious dinosaurs to be taken out by the volcano. The silence, please. What's deeply sad is that